All right, the things that you'll need for your project here to take care of your damage on your stone. A few things. You want to have some water handy, rags or paper towels handy, even possibly squeegee, not necessary, completely necessary, but it's handy. You want to make sure that your area that you're doing is taped off. Cabinets or floors, plastic. The area that you're working on, you don't want to do the entire countertop. You want to just work on the area that's damaged. So as you start with the lowest grit, you want to feather out each step a little further. So you kind of want to dam off the area with tape, or even aluminum tape works really well to protect the surrounding area, because the product will kind of get all over the place for you. You want, obviously, the Quartz Renew Kit. In that kit comes all 3 liquids: the snakeskin revealer, the step 2 resin polish, and the step 3 final polish. The 3 pads: the lamb's wool pad that goes with step 1, the green foam pad that goes with step 2, and the white foam pad that goes with step 3. You need a low-speed polishing machine. Here we're using the Makita 9227C. It will dial down to approximately 600 RPM. The reason for that is you go too much faster, you're going to start slinging mix, liquid all over the place and generate more heat than you want. So, and then plenty of, again, water to clean up, paper towels, rags,